I can't tell nobody, I can't breathe the word about the way you're treating me. I'm feeling broken. I reach out in the quiet night, a sound you just can't stand. But how can you hear the sound of a broken man? I still don't know what happened. A rug got from under me. One day we were so in love, next day tragedy. I call and you don't answer, I just don't understand. Blame it all to the sound of a broken man. Let me tell you a secret, my love is like a song. Gotta give it away to keep it. Sing it to yourself, just don't make a sound. To cut myself, do just what that pleases you. Don't need nobody else. I know I've made some big mistakes. I know I am part of your plan. But how can't you hear the sound of a broken man? How can't you stand the sound of a broken man?